My Duns beautiful people, this video is about natural hair. It's a continuation about my previous video on heat damage. Stay tuned till the whole video to see the remedies that I've been using to get my hair back into a healthy state. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe. Duns, beautiful people. Hi, y'all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How's everybody doing today? Bonjour, bonsoir. I am Duns, beautiful people. I am Duns Stedler, and this is my channel. Thank you for joining me. Here we talk about hair, natural hair. We talk about end-of-life care and relationships. And those of you who are my new subscribers, I am also Haitian. So what I just said was good morning, good evening in my native language, which is Haitian Creole. That being said, y'all, this video is about natural hair, and I'm so excited. I have some things that I want to talk to you guys about, and this is part 2. This video is part 2 of my previous video about heat damage, okay, and how I'm dealing with it. Okay, I'm super excited about this video. Thank you guys. So to my followers, to my supporters, I just felt like I had to make a part 2 to just let you guys know how I am and how I have dealt with my heat damage, okay, from the previous video. And also, as you guys can tell, this is like my 3rd video that I've made with the same shirt on. I was like, well, I should just, keep it on, just keep it on going, just keep it going. But that being said, I know heat damage is something that a lot of us, we have dealt with. And that's the reason why I have gotten like 3 big chops. And, you guys could also see my video about big chops. So I've had 3 big chops. I've been natural since 2013. I've been a natural girl, and it's just a struggle to kind of stay away from heat, to know how much heat to put in our hair. And everybody's hair texture is different. Everybody's hair texture is different. So some of us can take more heat, some of us can take less heat in our hair. So it's about finding a balance, okay? And I'm still struggling with this, okay? So I am just like you guys, just trying to test things as I go along. So, but I just want to say thank you guys, because I know you enjoyed the previous video. You've been watching it, and some of you have made comments, and thank you so much. So just want to show you guys what I've been doing, okay? And want to also show you my hair. All right, now first I'll show you the things that I've been using. So Norma, thank you to my supporter Norma. She told me to get fenugreek seeds. I think I might be pronouncing it wrong, but I will put a picture of it, okay? I don't see the package, but as you can see, it looks like this. The seed looks like this. And so basically how I use it is that I put some seeds in some water and leave it overnight for about 24 hours or so, and then I pour out the seeds and just use the water to wash my hair, like as a rinse. So after I shampoo my hair, condition my hair, the last thing I do would be pouring that fenugreek seed water onto my hair as a rinse. Okay, it really helps helps me with heat damage. And also I use it as a oil treatment. As you can see, I just put some olive oil and coconut oil, okay, in this thing was whole full. So I just use it, as a detangling, to just spray it on my hair when I'm doing my hair. I put it in my scalp and also in my hair. So this is really good. So that's one of the things that I use is the fenugreek seeds. Okay, so like I said, you could use it 2 ways. You could use it in water, okay, and also you could use it in like a treatment. All right, so that's one thing that's been really helping me with my heat damage. before I go along, you see guys, as you guys can tell, you know, look at my hair, you know, it's really getting a lot more healthier. You know, it's really a healthier. All right. And one thing that I've been experimenting on is how to do my edges. Okay, because my edges has really grown, guys. Look, like I'm trying to see like how to do it, you see, but see, this side is different than that side. But I like this little curl. See this little curl thing on the bottom here. All right. So being natural, it's an experiment, okay? It's just okay. So the second thing that's been really helping me with my heat damaged hair to help it back into a healthy state are these. Okay, these products. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's probably upside down, but it's the Afro G. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, the Afro G 1 and 2. It really helps me, okay? It has amino acids, all right? Can you guys see it? Back up a little bit. Okay, all right? So get yourself that. You could get it on Amazon, all right? So after you shampoo your hair, all right, you put this one, and then you wait for like, just read the instructions. You wait for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and then you rinse it out, and then you put this one. That's like the conditioner, okay? All right, and then you also leave this on for about, I would say, so yeah, so you use this for about like, you know, 1 to 10 minutes. I'm sorry, 1 to 5 minutes, okay? You just leave it on, all right? So, so these 3 things I've been using, and also I've gotten myself like a hair mayonnaise, kind of like conditioner, like a deep conditioner. So after I wash my hair, I rinse it out, and then I leave this on. I put it on. This smells really good, guys. You see? So I leave it on for about, you know, like, I don't know, 15 to 30 minutes. It depends on what I just go, you know, go on about my business, do something else, and I cover it with a plastic cap. Yes, it's very important to cover your hair with a plastic cap, okay? So yeah, those are the 4 products that I've been using that's really been helping me, okay, helping my hair. These products has really been helping me, okay, to kind of get my hair back into a natural state. You see me? Let me just show you a little bit. What? Yeah. Yeah, you see? So thank you guys for your comments, okay? Because I've been taking notes. But the thing is, next week actually, I'm gonna go to the hair salon, and I think I'm going to blow dry it, have them blow dry it, and maybe flat iron it. I don't know, but it's gonna be straightened next week, okay? I think I might make a video with it straightened, but we'll see. Okay, so you guys, you see, don't give up, okay? Because you guys saw my previous video. You saw my previous video of how badly my hair was heat damaged, and now look at it. Okay, this is not a wig. This is not a wig. Like I said, this is my natural hair, my real hair. You see? You see? Gotta protect me. That means look at my scalp. So I love you with the love of Jesus Christ. Don't give up, guys, okay? If you have heat damage, use these products that I just told you guys about. Use the seed, because you know me. I love to share knowledge. I love to share. I don't care if I'm a winner. I want you guys to be a winner too, you know, regarding everything in life. The seed, this mayonnaise helps. 1 and 2. So what I do is that I alternate, you know, I alternate week. I wash my hair weekly. So 1 week I would use this product, the next week I would use this, okay? So guys, please comment, share, subscribe, of course, like. Tell me what have you been doing for your heat damaged hair. You know, let me know what you like and subscribe, okay, guys? I hope you enjoyed this video, because I definitely enjoyed making this video, because I want to share with you guys, you know, everything that's working for me, so that we all of my Duns beautiful people, we all could be winners. Like I said, my video is about natural hair, end of life care, and relationships. So I have something for everybody, okay? Love you with the love of Jesus Christ as always. Dance, beautiful people. Mwah. See you in the next video.